This cocktail recipe involves only one ingredient, and it will spice up your summer. The ingredient here is watermelon. You start by simply taking a watermelon, then cut off at least towards the top. To make it two parts, you cut towards the top. This is necessary because watermelon is majorly made up of almost up to 98% water. So cutting towards the top is essential so that when we make our cocktail, it will easily hold. That's why we have cut towards the top. After cutting towards the top, just remove all the, can I call the flesh or the meat in the watermelon, the red parts. That's the one that is usually eaten. So we'll have to remove it using our serving spoon. Watermelon is always soft, so just with a spoon and just peeling it, the interior parts, it will be easy to remove all the interior. After removing it, just place on there and our blender before we can later blend it. This is a very essential cocktail because apart from the, of course, alcohol, to make a cocktail you need alcohol. In this case, we'll use a combination of whiskey and vodka. But alcohol does not, of course, contain a lot of health benefits. But for our choice of fruit, which is the watermelon, there is a lot of benefits you will enjoy. First, just to a breakdown of the health benefits associated with watermelon. It is highly nutritious and it's low in calorie. When it's low in calorie, it means it will not overburden you with the risk of being overweight due to its low calorie contents. Remember, it's majorly up to 92% water. So the water and the water from the watermelon will be the one utilized in the cocktail. Some of the other health benefits that make it a great choice for the cocktail is it's rich in vitamins A and C. It's also rich in antioxidants such as citrulline and lycopene. Also, other healthy amino acids which support heart health and reduce the risk of muscle soreness. Also, it aids in digestion. Another health benefits you'll enjoy from the cocktail that we will make using the watermelon is it's a very essential ingredient in weight loss, of course, as we have said before. Weight loss, watermelon is essential in weight loss because it is very low in calorie and very high in water. So when eating watermelon, we'll tend to consume a lot of water, but very low calorie intake. Of course, there is sweetness in watermelon, but that sugar is not high to cause to be of concern when trying to be conscious about weight. It's also rich in antioxidants and acts as cancer prevention. The high lycopene content, which is the ingredient that make it bright red when the watermelon is ripe, is known to be a very powerful antioxidant that can lower the risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate. So, for fathers who partake, making them watermelon cocktail is very essential. It will be contributing towards reducing their risk of prostate cancer. Also, people who consume watermelon tend to enjoy healthy hair and skin because watermelon contains vitamin A. As we know, vitamin A is essential for skin health and also promotes collagen production and helps protect the skin against sun damage. There are also high levels of vitamin C in watermelon, making it a healthy ingredient. People who consume watermelon also tends to enjoy the benefit of reduced muscle soreness. This is because of the amino acid L-citrulline that is known to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time, especially after exercises. Can I say after an exercise, you can partake with the watermelon cocktail and still enjoy life? Yes, of course, because of the high amount of acid L-citrulline. available in watermelons. Watermelon is also a hydrating ingredient. Because of the high water contents, watermelon tend to hydrate the body, hence acting as a natural diuretic, which helps in flushing out toxins. Remember, when consuming alcohol, it's essential to be highly hydrated. So watermelon will offer the necessary hydration, making it a very enjoyable drink. Also, other health benefits that have been associated with citrulline, which is available in watermelon, is its ability to improve heart health and reduce risk of blood pressure. Now, after we have blended the watermelon, at this time, we'll have to insert our straw and start enjoying. In fact, this recipe takes less than 5 minutes and it's ready to enjoy. At this time, whatever is remaining is to enjoy the watermelon cocktail. But always ensure to drink in moderation. Remember, too much alcohol is harmful to your health. These are, of course, in most of the time, cocktails are taken during the afternoon or summer afternoon when after work. So, for our case, this is a very essential cocktail or ingredient or addition to our drinks. As you can see, the base is not standing well. For easy to enjoy it easily, you can look for a support, something like a support where the watermelon can be rested, or just chop the bottom a bit so that it can have a flat surface where it can rest. That way, it will be easy to enjoy it. Meanwhile, you can hold it by your hand and continue enjoying it. It depends on the size of watermelon. If the watermelon is small, you can enjoy your cocktail in one sitting. But if it's a big watermelon, it's always essential to look for a way of storing it. Remember, you can just place it in your freezer or your fridge, and it will stay cold, and you will be able to enjoy it for 2 to 3 days. You can see here it's giving us real trouble trying to get a base where it will just rest. Yeah, it's really enjoyable by just sipping. There is that effect of the alcohol contents and the watermelon. Makes it very ideal. Remember, the watermelon has some sugars in it. You can as well add more whiskey to make it strong, or just add just a little bit to make you feel tipsy, but it will not just not overwhelm you. So when making cocktails, it will purely depend on your choice. If you like something that is hard to knock you off fast, you can decide to go for more. You can add more alcohol, or you can mix different types of alcohol. But for our case, we decided to choose two types of alcohol, which is a glass of whiskey and I have a glass of vodka. Those two have worked well for today, and the cocktail is very enjoyable. There are several ways you can go about. You can become clever with this cocktail. You can even decide to use different types of fruits just to enhance the flavor, or you can just stick to watermelon. For our case, we decided to stick with the watermelon, and it's really, really nice. Thank you very much for watching up to this far. We like to request you please subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow to reach more people, and that way it also encourages us. Also, please like our videos. That way it will make the algorithm push us further. If you like to enjoy your summer afternoon, or have something unique to incorporate in your diet or meals, this recipe is very simple. Please share with your friends, and it may improve their life a bit. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.